The people inside Champlain Towers South, a 12-story beachfront condo complex just north of Miami Beach, reflected Miami's status as a staggeringly diverse, international 21st-century metropolis, one that draws a unique mix of wealthy South American immigrants and tourists, Orthodox Jews and sun-chasing retirees from the Northeast. The luxury mid-rise tower's sudden and dramatic collapse Thursday morning plunged families across the United States and Latin America into a surreal nightmare. Without warning, about half of the complex's 136 units crashed to the ground. Days later, 5 residents were known dead but 156 likely victims remained unaccounted for. Search and rescue crews continued to work through smoldering fires and tropical storms Saturday to probe the 30-foot mountain of concrete and metal for lingering signs of life. Many people were furious and frustrated that more had not been done to extract their loved ones from the rubble. Saria Cohen, a Surfside resident who grew up in New York, questioned the pace of authorities in trying to find her husband, Brad, 51, a Miami orthopedic surgeon. He was missing after staying at their 11th floor apartment with his brother, Gary, a doctor who was visiting from Alabama. Why, she asked, did search and rescue teams not have more dogs or boots on the ground? Could they not chant into bullhorns to motivate her husband and other potential survivors to keep fighting? This could be the difference between life and death, she said. I feel like I'm living in a third world country and they just don't care enough. The will to live is so strong. I want them to know we are all rooting for them. She has spent hours outside the condo building, showing pictures of the siblings on her phone to anyone who will listen, desperate for updates. We need every bit of help we can get, she told CBS News 4. Dr. Brad Cohen is a popular orthopedic surgeon who specialized in sports medicine. A woman who answered the phone at his office Friday said, with sadness in her voice, that his patients adored him. He did his residency at the State University of Stony Brook in New York and a fellowship at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital in Philadelphia, according to his website. His brother, Dr. Gary Cohen, is a physician at Tuscaloosa VA Medical Center in Alabama, and was also active in his local synagogue there. He spent many years providing care to our veterans. He is part of the Tuscaloosa VAMC family and our thoughts and prayers are with him and his family during this incredibly difficult time, according to a statement from John Merkel, director of the Tuscaloosa VA Medical Center. The Associated Press contributed to this report. Copyright 2021 Los Angeles Times. Visit latimes.com. Distributed by Tribune Content Agency, LLC.